This beautiful house in Texas is built using 2 shipping containers, a 40-foot shipping container on the ground floor, topped up with a 20-footer, creating an amazing 480 square foot house with a beautiful rooftop deck and an external spiral staircase. The quality of workmanship both outside and inside the house is quite commendable. This is a view of the open plan layout on the ground floor level, showing the lounge at the beginning of the stretch, a dining, an L-shaped kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom on the extreme end. You will appreciate the use of white shiplap lining, which creates that illusion of a large indoor space complemented by high quality furnishing and workmanship. This is a closer view of the bedroom space with these 2 tiny bedside stands due to the limited width of a single shipping container. The use of 2 glass windows on either sides helps to alleviate that claustrophobic feel of sleeping in a confined space. This is the high quality bathroom on the ground floor level, a glass shower cubicle, a wash and basin, and a toilet. This is a view of the bedroom on the topmost level. This is the master bedroom, a big bed space with a lounge area and a bathroom on the extreme end. This is a view of the living space on the ground floor level from the kitchen side, showing the L-shaped kitchen, a small dining for 2, and a big lounge area on the extreme end. The level of lighting in this house is quite good, with maximum daylighting from the large glass doors and windows, complemented by LED lighting on the ceiling. The use of white paint on the walls and the ceiling helps to make this interior space pop. This is a closer view of the lounge, showing the sectional couch that can be stretched to create a pull-out sofa bed. This is a view of the couch with a pull-out sofa as a bed to create additional sleeping space when needed. This is a closer view of the L-shaped kitchen. It is almost unbelievable that all these features and spaces can fit within a single 40-foot shipping container. The space is nicely furnished with essential kitchen appliances. I love the use of open shelving to create that sense of space, which would have been lost if overhead storage cabinets would have been used instead. Open shelving in the kitchen, a nice dining table for 2 with a big glass window next to it. This is a view of the main bathroom, showing the glass shower cubicle. I like this waterfall shower head. A view of the shower cubicle in a closed position. A bathroom space, still high quality of finishes and fittings. Bathroom space. This is a closer view of the bedroom space, showing the bed in a close-up. The bedroom still with the bathroom area in the background. There's also some closet space for your linen. A closer view of the closet space. I love these sliding barn doors. The bedroom. This is a closer view of the lounge area. I love this wall art, a beautiful wall clock. laundry basket, nice closer view of the leather couch, open shelving, bed space with a small tiny bedside stand. I love these lamps. Beautiful view of the kitchen, these nice pendants above the dining kitchen area, quite interesting. That is a view of the master bedroom upstairs. This is the space behind the bedroom area with a small kitchenette to allow the upper unit to be rented separately from the lower unit. There's a bathroom space, bathroom high quality of finishes as usual, the bathroom area, bathroom space. There's a view of the deck from the bedroom, the view of the small kitchenette space on the above unit to allow the house to be rented separately. Open shelving, high quality of furnishings and fittings. Look at that view, directly from the bed space through the glazed openings across the rooftop deck. Amazing. This is the view of the deck and the mountainous backdrop of the desert climate. Nice outdoor furniture. I love these lights along the railing that light up at night to create an amazing effect for stargazing. Beautiful mountainous view of the location. What do you like about this tiny shipping container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.